Introducing the incredible 2021 Volvo XC40 T5. Phev Inscription PRO5 Door AU in a stunning blue exterior colour. This vehicle is a powerhouse with a 1.5-litre engine fueled by petrol plug-in hybrid electric, paired with an automatic transmission for a smooth ride. The Estatejeep body style offers both style and functionality. Loaded with comfort and safety features such as satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, this Volvo provides a secure driving experience. With luxurious details like ambient lighting and a refrigerated storage compartment, every journey is a pleasure. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more.